Here we have a 2018 18-plate BMW 330e M Sport Shadow Edition in white. We have 4 superb 19-inch alloy wheels in black, with the M Sport brake calipers just hiding behind there. Now we do have LED headlights as well as black kidney girls, M Sport styling kit which includes back front splitter, side skirt extensions, rear diffuser and rear boot spoiler. And there's another look, another alloy wheel. Now this is a hybrid, so we have the electric charging port just there on the left hand side. We also have black wing mirrors, we have privacy glass at the rear, we also have black window trim, shark fin antenna, eDrive badging on the back, just there. There's a quick look, another alloy wheel. Now we do have front and rear parking sensors, dual exhaust flush with the rear bumper and rear diffuser. We also have the 330e badging just there. Opening the boot up, we do have a nice spacious sized boot, storage net on the right hand side. We also have a little storage bin for the electric charging cable on the left hand side. Putting the boot back down, there's a look at the rear boot spoiler. Now this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches and does look superb from every angle. And there's a quick look at the alloy wheel. Now if you head to the rear of the car, we do have full red coral leather interior, which does look absolutely superb, with ISO fixed points, pull down leather armrests with 2 nice sized cup holders, and for extra storage room they do fold down. Now a storage net's behind the driver and passenger seat, as well as 12-volt connectivity in the centre. We also have the BMW individual trim just there, with electric windows, again with the red leather interior there as well. We also have integrated Harman Kardon speakers. Going to the front of the car, we do have electric windows, again with the red coral leather interior, with the BMW individual trim. Now we do have Harman Kardon in the front as well. Jumping inside, just down there we have auto lights, and we have the refueling button just there. Foot on the brake, we have keyless start. Now this vehicle has done just over 47,200 miles and is free from any warning lights on the dash. Now we do have a multifunction steering wheel with cruise control and speed limiter. And there's the dashboard again. We also have paddle shift if you wish to take the car into manual mode. There's auto wipers just there, and we also have the auto high beam assist just there as well. We have satellite navigation as well as media connectivity. We have DAB radio, scroll across, we have FM, AM, music collection, CD, DVD, Bluetooth audio and USB. Popping the car into reverse, you can see the front and rear parking sensors just there. Again, we have the map and the navigation as well as phone connectivity. Now we do have different drive modes, where we have Eco Pro, Comfort, Sport and Sport Plus. When you're in Sport and Sport Plus, you also get sport displays, so it shows you the kilowatts of power that you're using and also the newton meters of torque. Coming down here, we have dual zone climate control, which works just as you would expect it to, as well as ice cold aircon. For those cold winter mornings, you also have heated front seats, which makes all the difference. Now we do have a little bit of storage tray just there. Pop that open, we have 2 nice sized cup holders, 12-volt connectivity and locking wheel nuts there as well. Now we do have the buttons to turn traction control off, as well as drive mode select, parking sensors on and off, and we have the eDrive button just there as well. Again, we have the BMW individual trim just there. This is what you use to control whatever happens on the screen, as well as a touchpad on the top, be able to scroll in and out of the map with ease. Now we do have soft touch leather armrests, which lifts up for storage as well underneath, and moves forwards and back to suit your driving position. And there's a look at the passenger's full coral leather front seat with extended thigh support if you may need it. Now this vehicle is available to take away today with free contactless nationwide next day delivery. It's HPI clear, comes with fresh service, and we do offer competitive low finance. Thank you very much for watching.
Video test drive for this BMW 330e M Sport Shadow Edition. The purpose of this video today is to show you that the car drives exactly how you would expect it to. For example, now I'm not having to wrestle with the steering wheel to keep it in a straight line. I'll also go through some of the vehicle's functions and show you that they work how you would expect. Now cruise control activates by pressing cruise, and then simply press up on the switch just there, and we're now cruising at 50 miles an hour. I can adjust that very simply as well. Deactivate that by simply feathering the brake, and we're now back to normal. We've then got our paddle shifters, so we're currently in 6th gear. down into 5th, down into 4th, down into 3rd, back up to 4th, into 5th, and back up to 6th gear. And as you can tell through all of those gears, completely seamless transitions, no jerky movements, no knocks or bangs of any kind, exactly how you would expect that to work. Now we are just slowing down for this roundabout where we'll be taking a bit of left. We are coming into a bit of traffic, but it just gives me a bit extra time to talk about this vehicle. So one of the standout features for me is, firstly, it's a hybrid vehicle, so you will have ultra low running costs when you're driving this about. Then of course the interior as well. I'm a really big fan of this coral red Dakota leather interior. Really makes it stand out, and it really does work with the Alpine white exterior paintwork as well. And then of course, for those of us that live in the UK, it's very, very handy to have a car like this when it comes to the heated seats for both front passengers, and the driver is even treated to an electric steering wheel just down there as well. Very, very nice feature to have, especially in those winter months. There we go. And then of course you've got everything you could want on the infotainment system. We've got navigation, we've got plenty of ways to connect our media to listen to music or to make calls, whatever you may want, as well as the different driving modes to suit your driving style at the time. Now here at RS Car Sales, we have been doing deliveries for the last 3 to 4 years, as well as free next day nationwide deliveries for the last 1.5 years. So although the COVID-19 situation has had a huge impact on many businesses, and still is doing to this day, we feel like we're quite well prepared. So we have adjusted our deliveries ever so slightly to make them contactless. And what this means is we'll sanitize our hands, we'll sanitize the keys, and we'll just do an extra thorough clean of the vehicle before delivering it to yourself, basically to ensure your own safety and ours. And we are a 5-star dealership here at RS Car Sales. If you look online, we've got over 300 5-star reviews on Google and Autotrader alone, as well as many others on other sites like Car Gurus. So if you go online, check out these reviews, you'll see that our customers really do reiterate the fact we are a dealership that cares. We really do want you to have such a good buying experience from ourselves that you would recommend us to your friends, to your families, and even come back to us when the time is due for your next vehicle purchase. You can also find us on social media. We're on both Instagram and Facebook, so make sure to follow us on there to keep up to date with all the latest stock we get in. Now I'm just about to take a right turn into the industrial park where I'll perform an emergency brake and show you that the reverse works as it should. So there you go, very sharp brakes, put the vehicle into reverse. We've got our visual display of both front and rear sensors just there as well. And obviously reverse works perfectly as you would expect. So this is usually where you'd be extremely happy with the vehicle. You'd want to come into the office, see what kind of deal you could work out. Obviously that isn't possible at the moment due to the COVID-19 situation. However, do get in touch. Part exchanges are very welcome. Just let us know the make, model and condition of the vehicle you're wishing to part exchange. And if there is anything we have missed in either the online photos, the video walk around or this test drive, again, get in touch. One of the team would be more than happy to do a FaceTime call with yourself, walk around the vehicle, show you any specific components, answer any specific questions, and really just show you what the vehicle has to offer. But until then, that's all from me. Thank you for watching.